In the IELTS speaking and writing tests, expressing certainty and probability is crucial. If you can do this well, you'll sound more natural and boost your score in grammar and lexical resource. Why is this important? It helps you express certainty and uncertainty, improves fluency and vocabulary score, and makes your speech sound more academic. Let's start with future probability. When talking about the future, we can express different levels of certainty with these phrases. For high certainty, when you are 90 to 100% sure, you can use expressions like, "It will definitely happen," "It's bound to happen," or "It is certain that." For medium certainty, where you are 50 to 80% certain, use the following expressions. "It will probably happen," "It is likely to happen," or "There's a good chance that." Then for low certainty, where you 10 to 40% certain, then use these expressions. "It might happen," "There's a slight chance that," or "It's unlikely to happen." Now it's your turn. Look at this question. What do you think will happen to travel in the next 20 years? Comment below using one of these phrases. Now, let's talk about probability in the present. These phrases help when discussing what might be true now. For high certainty, you can use expressions like, "It must be true," "I'm sure that," or "It is obvious that." For medium certainty, you can use expressions like, "It is probably true," "There's a good chance that," and "It seems likely that." And finally, for low certainty, use expressions like, "It might be true," "There's a small possibility that," or "It doesn't seem likely." Quick quiz. If someone is speaking perfect English, which sentence is correct? Is it A, "He must be an English teacher," or B, "He might be an English teacher"? Comment your answer below. Here's how you can use these in real IELTS answers. What do you think will happen to books in the future?
I think books will probably become less popular, but they won't disappear completely.
What do you think is the reason for climate change?
It is likely that human activities are the main cause, but natural factors might also contribute.
Let's recap. Today, we learned phrases to express probability in the future and present. Using these correctly will boost your IELTS score and make you sound more natural. Now, I have a challenge for you. Write a comment using one probability phrase we learned today. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you like the videos like these, check out my Mastering IELTS playlist here and other playlists in the description below. See you in the next video.